In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. You need to begin by opening Settings and tapping on Connections right away. Then select More Connection Settings and tap on Printing at the top. Now you can click on Default Print Service right away or download any service you want to use, wait for it to appear here and click on it. You'll activate it the same way as default one, so wherever you decided, click on your service and tap on gray switcher at the top right corner to activate it. As you can see, my device was successfully connected to my HP printer. But if you still can't connect, this time click on Default Print Service, tap on gray switcher and wait for 3 dots to appear at the top right corner of your screen. Click on them, choose Add Printer, and use one of those 2 options. If your printer has Wi-Fi direct printing feature, tap on gray switcher here and wait for your device to find your printer. If you want to, you can also use this solution, which is the most popular fix. Hit Add Printer by IP address, input it here and select Add to connect manually. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!